In this video, I will be showing you how to make your YouTube subscriptions private. Let's get started. First, I open up my browser and go to the search bar. I type in YouTube and hit enter to search for it. Once the search results load up, I go ahead and click on the main YouTube link to open the website. Now that we're on the YouTube homepage, I head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on my profile icon. A drop-down menu appears, and from here, I scroll down slightly and select Settings. This takes us directly to the Account Settings page. On the left-hand navigation panel, I look for the Privacy option and click on it. Inside the Privacy menu, you'll see a section called Subscriptions with a toggle switch that says Keep all my subscriptions private. To make sure nobody else can see the channels you're subscribed to, simply click on that toggle switch to enable it. Once that switch is turned on, your subscriptions are officially hidden and private. That's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.